I'm obsessed with stress reduction, and I realize that so many people don't even know what that means. There's something called xenostressors, which ultimately means outside stress. They're further classified as xenobiotics, which means chemicals foreign to the body. When we think of stress, we think of psychological stressors. And then everyone's like, oh, I'm not really that stressed. But you're not taking into consideration the pollution, EMFs, household products, skincare products, tap water, pesticides, and everything in our food, air, and water supply that we're being blasted with nonstop. We are constantly in need of detoxifying our bodies from all of these things that we're exposed to, plus our psychological stress. That's why when you look up a disease, you almost always will see stress as a cause. If you really want to get scientific, when a toxin enters your body, a part of the brain called the locus coeruleus lights up like a Christmas tree. Norepinephrine is released, which puts you into an excited and stimulated state. This triggers the amygdala portion of your brain, which relates to feelings of anxiety, panic, fear, anger, and rage. During this, the hypothalamus and pituitary gland are triggered, and they tell the adrenals to secrete adrenaline. When you can't get your mood regulated and you can't understand why your different diseases that you suffer from are being triggered, understand all of this that's bubbling up inside of you when you're blasted with toxins from the outside, the xenobiotics. This page is intended to give you different techniques to reduce the stress in your life. I'm talking about the physical, mental, emotional, and even sometimes spiritual. Follow along and I will share everything that I know. I will try to teach you as we go, and I will always provide alternatives that I think are doable, approachable, and as inexpensive as possible so we can all just start feeling our best.